Hey everyone, do you know that the Royal 75 inches QLED Google TV boasts over a billion colors and incredible contrast ratio? Seriously, this TV is not just big in size, but it's big in features too. So let's dive into this unboxing and see what makes it stand out from the crowd. Welcome back folks, I still remain Ikani Samuel. Today we're unboxing the massive Royal 75 inches QLED Google TV. This beast is making waves in the market, and I can't wait to show you what it's all about. And we are looking at its design, features, and everything that you expect when bringing this beauty home. So let's get started. Alright, let's talk about some common challenges we face when shopping for a new TV. First off, size matters. You want something that fits your speed but also give you that cinematic feel, right? Then there's a resolution. With all those options out there, you want to make sure that you are getting the best quality, especially if you're a movie buff or a gamer. Okay, here we go. Time to unbox this massive TV. Wow, right off the bat, you can see the sleek design. The bezels are thin, giving it a modern look that will fit right in with your living room decor. Alright, let's set this giant up. Wow, that was surprisingly simple. Now let's take a closer look at the specifications. This TV features 4K resolution, contour dot technology, supports HDR10+, which means you are getting a vibrant colors and deeper blacks. Plus it comes with built-in Google TV, so you can easily access all your favorite apps and shows. It is designed to tackle that size dilemma with a screen that is meant to envelop you in whatever you are watching. And the smart features, they are super responsive, and navigating through the menu is a breeze. I can already tell this TV is going to elevate my binge watching season to a whole new level. Now let's check out the picture qualities. Oh my gosh, just look at those colors. The clarity is absolutely stunning. The blacks are deep. The colors are so vibrant. I'm so impressed with how everything pops on the screen. So to wrap this up, we have unboxed the Royal 75 QLED Google TV, and it did not disappoint. From its sleek design and impressive specification to its picture quality and smart features, this TV is a solid contender in the market. So if you are looking for a new TV that gives you a cinematic experience right at your home, this might just be the one for you. Now I want to hear from you. What is your favorite feature in a TV? Or do you have any question about this unboxing? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to check out my other video on TV reviews. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.